He's on W on this guy. What creative is giving step is? When do you have duty, bro? When do you have duty? G. Nice, nice. On the G, everyone. In 3, 2, 1. On the G, please. I beg you. Oh my god, go west. It's so fucking slow. Come back. Come west, come west. We don't have defensive anymore. Come west to me. Come west, stop hitting. Come west. West to me. Listen. What is this DPS? My feet are tingling right now. Come here, south, please. Spread here, spread here. How long for GA? How long for GA? Do you have GA, bro? Do you have GA? Bro, heal me. Come back. Come back. Pull back. Demonic on them if you can do. Demonic on the DPS if you can. If they push front, yeah? Oh, nice. He's on the bridge on the smoke, please. Kill his smoke. He's on the bridge. Don't stack. Kill his smoke. Ajay, are you looking?
Yeah, ready.
Wait. Ready?
Looking.
Wait. He's on the bridge on this guy in city. Why are you giving him some space? This guy in city, please. Why are we not damaging on this guy in city? Come west more. Everyone come west. He'll not heal. Asuna. Heal Asuna. No, don't do it.
Sorry.
Come back, everyone, look, east. In 3, 2, 1, east on this place, please. 1 MP, 2 MP, it's so slow, bro. Seriously, wait. What is this slow as MP? Fucking hell, bro. I hate you guys. Whoever that slow fuck, I'll kill you in bird review. Come back, please. How long for GA?
GG right now.
Okay, wait.
FGA.
Wait. Can you, Judy now?
Judy.
Judy. Stay on Judy, everyone. Not one. Okay. They can sell. Can you come back? Pull back, everyone. Pull back. Pull back. Can you GA east?
Is GA.
East. Okay, Sanjay. Heal. G. Nice. On the G, everyone. On the G in 3, 2, 1. On the G. 8. Come back, Nacho. Active. Come back, Nacho. What's the problem? Oh my god. Spread. Ironis, can you stack on me? Stack on me. Come to me. Stack on me. Ready? Wait. Go west more. Take space, not west more. Can you, Ironis, can you stand on me? Stand on me.
Oh, stand.
Make them hit on us. Yeah. Make them hit us. Somebody come near us, please. Make them hit us. Boot. Okay, look, this help shadow. Nice. Ready, G. Not this. Nice. On the G, please. 3, 1. On the G. Please, kill it. 1 is clear step. What is going on? I have not seen this troll situation. What you know? Season W on this month, please. Judy. Help him. G not this. G. Oh my god. 3, 2, 1 on the G now. Who is hitting without the call? Please kill. Who is hitting? Oh, come. Keep pushing it. They have pulled down in 3 seconds. Come on, please. Season W on this heavy match. We just brawl kill them. Come on. Season W on this heavy. Okay, I'm forcing now. I'll force. Come not this one. Spread much. Demonic ready. G this. Help. Heal. Ready. Nice. Not this on the G. In 3, 2, 1 on the G. Everyone, please. Kill. Please. What is this, bro? Genuinely, like, kill this guy, please. Please, one guy. Come not this one. Push. Pull. Nice. Push more. Good column. Somebody mount. Okay, no, not him. Ready, not just ready. Wait, can you J them? J them, please. Yes, on the J. 3, 2, 1 on the J now, please. Okay. Stop. Heal. Why are you pushing Asuna? Heal. Bro. Overconfident. I'm not. Can you do it for them? I'm ready. They're trying to hit on me. Ready, not this. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Hit this, please. Hit this, hit this. Everyone, hit. Hit. Kill this blazing at least. It's killing me. Okay. Kill this guy at least. I mean, my enemy chip already. Jacket. If you can get some discuss. Don't come through. Don't come through combat. They're full. Yes, sorry, they have. There's no place in the top. Kill it now. I think I'm having a good first. There's no place in the top. We don't have a Judy, so be careful. Much on the healers. 3, east, in 3, 2, 1, east on me. Hit this, east. Ready? Def ready. Push a bit. No, okay, push a bit. Push now. Ready? Hey, def. Ready, push. Ready, cool down. Please, DPS check. I need a DPS check really bad. DPS check. Somebody, very much open your mics. DPS check. Ready, look on me, please.
2 seconds.
2 seconds, ready, on me. 3, 2, 1. Ready. Care. They'll hit soon, yeah. I need grid call on me if you can. Kill this 4-4 blazing, please. I need this 4-4 blazing. I have to donate this on my stream donation or whatever. Ready? Take a sec. Cool down. Check.
Second.
Look. Okay. You come not to this. Come. Ready? On the blazing. Comes out. Don't defend it. Don't be scared. Ready? On the blazing. In 3, 2. On the blazing now. Kill this here, please.
Good.
What the fuck? 1 more HP.
What the fuck?
Oh, I cannot see it. Care here. Split. Come. Split. Care. 3. This one. Stop here. Care. They might hit. They'll hit there. Care.
Good done. GG.
They're hitting now. They're hitting. They're hitting. Heal. Nice. Heal. Oh my god. Pull down check. We kill everyone here. Please. Drop it.
15. Still on.
Okay. Wait for the gargoyle. Full heal. Come first. This one.
Did I live or did I die?
Ready? On the blazing. In 3, 2, 1. On the blazing. I'm not sure. Spread here. Kill it. No. Don't kill this tank killer. No. Don't kill this tank. It's not good. Stay here. They hit. Nice. Ready. 3, 2.
4 seconds. 2 seconds.
Whatever you have, please. Okay. I didn't know you have free. Okay. Push through to fire. Heal.
Blessing
Nice.
this.
Look. Easy. In 3, 2, 1. Kill the blazing. Oh, so close. Fucking hell. Step back.
5 seconds.
Heal. Nice. Get ready, Naughty. How long?
It's ready.
Wait. 7 seconds. 6 seconds. We go big. Boot front. Get in, Naughty. Boot. Get it. 3, 2, 1. On me now. Get this. Please. Stupid fuck. Wait, I'll bet there and get. Don't use your E like that. Heal. On 3. In 2. In 1. Hit this, please. Hit this. What are you doing? Push through. Okay. They look. They're hitting now. Hitting. Come, look at this. Come, South. Boot to me. Ready, ease on 3, 2, 1, hit. Please. I can't we drop together, bro. How is it so high? Either never forget you, healer. Ready, he's hitting. They're hitting. Get ready. Not just 3. On the demonic. 3, 2, 1. On the demonic. Please hit. Not just. Hit. The lighter mark for you. Please. Yeah, we just don't have enough details, but I think we need to talk. Be back. Come southwest. Let's go good. The hill is actually. I saw that fucking hell. Let's go. Come south. Interrupt. Jackets come not this. Jacket. Give the DPS jacket. Kill me please. I got that on. Come not this. Look not this. DPS jacket. Assassin or DPS.
5 seconds.
I check it. Didn't notice. In 3. On the healer. In 3. Wait. 3, 2, 1. On the top. Fuck, so close. So, let's stay here. Use an on the map. Care. They might look at them. Care. Use an on the map. They're hitting. Above the two. I interrupted blazing. Nice. DPS tech.
Nice.
Come on, let's kill this. No mana. Healer no mana. Boots. Pull down set. 3, 2, 1. On me now, please.
Nice. Finally.
Care. They still have DPS. Care. Press. They still have DPS. They can kill. Spirit. Very move.
I got no sprint. I got this.
Spirit. Okay, kill the hit where people inside it. Don't focus inside. They can kill it. Kill inside. I stun now.
Cool down.